Hello everyone, welcome back to the 5 Best. In today's video, we'll be checking out the top 5 best dashcams you can buy in 2022. I've made this list based on buyer suggestions, opinions, and hours of research. I also listed them based on price, features, and durability. Dashcams have become a staple whenever you're on the road. To provide you with the best option for your road safety needs, we will give you all the details for the best dashcams in the market that you can buy in 2022. As always, our goal here is to create an exciting shopping guide so that our subscribers and viewers can make the best decisions when buying these products. If you're new to this channel, welcome to the 5 Best, where we explore the best technology gadgets on the market and help you make the right purchasing decisions based on your specific requirements. The links to all products mentioned in this video are available, and we will show them in the description below. Make sure to click the subscribe button to stay up to date on information and content. Also hit the notification bell so that you never miss a video. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Number 5. KINGSLIM D5 4K Dashcam. Road safety is a priority among drivers nowadays, and getting a dashcam for your big toy is one of your first steps into road safety. First on our list of best dashcams you can buy in 2022 from KINGSLIM, for $89.99, you will get a 4K dashcam that does what a dashcam does very well. KINGSLIM's D5 4K dashcam shoots 4K and 2560 by 1440 at 30 frames per second or 1080p at 60 frames per second full HD videos in every area within its range. It also gives you footage of about 170-degree wide angle with 6 focal lengths to record wide and clear driving videos. The quality of its video recordings will allow you to see road signs, license plates, passers-by, and everyone getting near your car, for whatever purpose you would need those recordings for. You're ensured great quality footage whenever and wherever. Yes, whenever, even at night. With its Sony image sensor 6-layer glass lenses and full HDR function, shooting at night is just as clear as day as it shoots super night vision even in low light environments. Design-wise, KINGSLIM D5 is very user-friendly to people of all ages. Its simple plug-and-play operability does not need complicated wiring to work. You can just simply put it up and press play. KINGSLIM D5 also has a built-in GPS function and modules that allow you to record and play back your route and driving speed. You can just download the GX player on KINGSLIM's website to play back a GPS video on a whim. Grabbing, importing, and working with your recorded footage is also very easy with this entry-price dashcam. With an application downloadable on both iOS and Android, you can easily connect your D5 dashcam with the app through Wi-Fi. While some dashcams require you to take out SD cards and insert them through a hub to your phone or computer, you can do away with them with KINGSLIM D5. Playback and download with the video through the app to our device of choice has become very convenient. At such a humble price, this is a great entry price and quality for those on a budget trying to get all the benefits you can from a dashcam. Number 4. Coxpal Dual Dashcam with GPS. Next on our list is Coxpal Dual Dashcam. What's better than taking videos of what's happening on the road is having the chance to record what's happening inside the car. Coxpal Dual Dashcam does just that. Both front and back cameras take 1080p Full HD quality videos at 30 frames per second. It's your device for the optimum balance between storage space and high-quality videos and image clarity with its front sensor powered by Sony IMX335 5-megapixel inside image sensor powered by Sony IMX307 2-megapixel. Both front and inside lenses take images and video at a 140 degrees wide angle with an infrared filter and infrared LED night vision, making sure that your captured recordings are wide and clear no matter the time of day. Coxpal Dual Dashcam can take as much as 11.8 hours of footage on a 128GB memory and 23.6 hours of footage on a 256GB microSD. In addition, this dashcam is loaded with other features that would make your dashcam experience seamless and easy. It has a built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, and supercapacitor that eliminates the risk of fire and explosion and can withstand extreme hot and cold weather, as cool as -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. The built-in GPS module allows you to record your driving speed, location, and driving route when the camera is on, which can later be read in Coxpal Windows or Mac GPS multimedia player or application. What's more, this dashcam also operates on a seamless loop recording mode, meaning you don't have to be afraid of your video cutting off when its memory is full. It will automatically overwrite your oldest files so that it can continue recording the new one. We know how dashcams can be critical in recording emergencies, accidents, or fender benders. Its G-sensor auto collision detection will save and lock an accident video clip on a separate file which cannot be overwritten by its seamless loop feature. Coxpal Dual Dashcam truly packs a lot of punch with these features and more at just $149.99. Number 3. REDTIGER 4K Dual Dashcam. At number 3 is REDTIGER 4K Dual Dashcam. Much like our number 2, this product also records both front and inside of the car, one after another or both together at your discretion. However, it can record up to a whopping 2160p quality video when only the front camera is operated and record 2160p front and 1080p inside quality when both modes are activated. Its WDR technology allows your recording to capture more light and adjust the brightness so you can see clearer and more color-accurate videos even in low light. Seeing the full view of the road is no problem with this camera. Its 170-degree front and 140-degree rear ultra-wide lenses allow it to see all 5 lanes of the road, providing you greater security. With an IP68 waterproof structure, your camera is safe and sound even in cold or rainy weather. It also has a supercapacitor that can withstand cold as -4 degrees Fahrenheit to as hot as 149 degrees Fahrenheit. While it does not include a memory card, it can support up to 256GB of microSD cards so you can record more footage. However, you need to make sure that these microSDs are made for 4K dashcams. Safety-wise, REDTIGER also has a built-in G-sensor emergency lock for the safety of your accident and emergency footage, as well as automatically overriding the oldest unlocked files for seamless recording. What's even more special in this dashcam is that with the G-sensor parking mode, it will automatically record short footage and lock it when it detects a bump or impact. It also supports a 24-hour parking monitor with the time-lapse mode to protect your car for 24 hours. Output-wise, this dashcam has a built-in Wi-Fi so you can easily connect it with your UCam app on your device and access footage anytime, and use your card reader or USB data cable as alternatives to access your records. With smart GPS tracking, your journey and speed are tracked safely and sound, while a simultaneous Google Maps view will show your location and driving route and speed. Number 2. GARMIN Dashcam 67W. Shying from the number 1 is GARMIN Dashcam 67W. What's great about this dashcam is that it's packed with so many features despite being pocket size. If you're someone who easily gets distracted by possible vision blockages, then this is the one for you. Despite its size, GARMIN Dashcam gives you what other dashcams don't. With its forward collision warning, this dashcam alerts you if you're driving too close to a vehicle ahead, as well as lane departure warnings for when it detects your car drifting off the road or across the center line. This dashcam serves as your traffic signal as it alerts you when traffic in front of you has started to move. Accessibility to footage is very easy through its built-in Wi-Fi. You can immediately share videos through your Garmin Drive app to your friends through a link or passcode. The videos are automatically stored in a vault upon connection to Wi-Fi. In terms of storage, it can support up to a whopping 512GB microSD memory cards, while it comes with a 16GB memory for your purchase. For $259.99, you'll get a dashcam that can capture 1440 HD quality videos with an extra-wide 180-degree lens that allows you to capture more of the road ahead. What's more, this dashcam supports voice control as it lets you use your voice to save video, start and stop recordings, and take pictures. You can also access the cam through the app via live viewing as long as there is an active Wi-Fi connection, as well as monitor the activities around your parked vehicle and then send you alerts when activities are detected. Its features truly outweigh its price, and you'll surely get the value for money in this pocket-sized dashcam. And number 1. BLACKVUE DR900X 2CH. We hail BLACKVUE DR900X 2CH as the top dashcam you can buy in 2022. This dashcam, like two of our previous placers, captures with a mind-blowing 4K ultra-high definition on its front camera. That's 4 times more pixels than a full HD. The 2.1 megapixel on the rear camera is powered by a full HD Sony Starvis image sensor to make sure that your footage is clear under any kind of light. The front camera also extends up to an ultra-wide 162-degree angle while being on 4K resolution. This means that license plates can be easily made out even from far away without much pixelization. It is also powered by high-efficiency video coding (HEVC), which is the leading standard in 4K recording and compresses your video into manageable files without compromising their quality. BLACKVUE dashcam also has a built-in GPS, Wi-Fi so you can download and save your videos easily, and an option to connect to LTE via a module. But why LTE? This is where BLACKVUE's unique feature comes in. With BLACKVUE, you can access a free BLACKVUE cloud service so you can check your car anywhere and at any time. Through BLACKVUE Cloud, free cloud storage, or play and view video in your dashcam or the cloud. What's more is that you can also do two-way communication with the driver of your car through the app with the integrated speaker and mic. At a price ranging from $459.99 to $619.99 depending on the storage size of your choice, this premium high-end dashcam tops our list with its impeccable video quality and cloud storage features. And that would be all for today's top 5 best dashcams that you can buy in 2022. For more mind-blowing videos of technology, gadgets and electronics, subscribe to our channel, like and share with friends, and we'll see you in the next one.